before we jump into the vlog, I want to convince you to subscribe to my channel. On my channel, I'll show you guys everything about my life. I'm an entrepreneur that goes to school and I have a job. I know that's a lot, but I'm trying to balance it. So about my small business is me and my mom, we own it together. And I'll show you guys the ins and outs on with that. Now, don't get me wrong. My channel is not all about business and working and the challenges of going to school. I turn up too, guys. I still turn up. And I vlog that. All my travel vlogs is on YouTube. So now that that's out the way, let's jump into this vlog. And I do have to say this. In the beginning of this vlog, I don't know what's wrong with my microphone, but it gets better. Good morning. So I am about to start my makeup. I say we're. I'm used to saying me and my mom, but we're going to... Shit, okay. Okay, I need some coffee. Okay, so I'm doing a pop-up. Usually me and my mom do a pop-up, but she has to work, so it's gonna be me holding it down. I don't know how today's gonna be. I don't know if it's gonna be big, but hopefully we can make something. But if we don't, I'm gonna leave early because tomorrow we have a big event. Well, it's our event. You guys know, I don't know if you guys, I don't know if you're new to my page, but me and my mom have business partners and we doing our own pop-ups once a month, and tomorrow is our second one. So we have to wake up early for that to make sure that the parking lot is okay, as in no cars and all that. So it's gonna be like a little, busy day. If you haven't seen the first event that we did, I'm gonna tag it below if you guys can catch up and see how our first event went. I'm thinking about naming that series, like, I want to change the name. So I don't know. I'm gonna figure it out. But I want to have a name for those events that we do. Okay, so I am here. It's not that many vendors. It's about what, 5, rough, give or take, and it's a lot of music, so I'm trying to speak fast, so need copyright violations. But I'm gonna set up my tent and then I'm gonna get something to eat. Okay, let's set this tent up. I want to play this whole video through, but unfortunately they're playing copyright music, so I'm going to have to jump in and out with doing voiceovers. And you know how I feel about voiceovers. But hey, we got to do what we got to do. So this event, I don't know if I actually said this earlier, but this event is a free event. So when you think about free, you have put in your back of your mind that it's going to be a lot of competition. Well, I don't want to say competition, it's more so it's going to be people who are territorial over their areas or their... wherever they feel like it's their assigned area, if that make any sense. But anyway, so this is what today's going to be like. Now I'm just continuing to set up this tent. And this tent is so easy to set up. I know it looks like it's taking forever for me to do. But if you haven't seen my previous vlogs, when you see the original tent that I had, mine's just like the third tent that I had. The other ones, of course, they broke. And if you're doing pop-ups, put in consideration that these tents are so easy to break. And it's so frustrating because it's about $200 each. It don't seem like a lot, but when you're a small business, you want your overhead to be as low as possible. Now that the tent is up, I'm debating whether I should just put some tables up and then go get something to eat, or just leave the tent and get something to eat and come back. It's so early. It's only 9 o'clock, so debating. I need some snacks.
You want a bag of this?
Yeah. Are you gonna do another 20? I mean, another 10.
$7.20.
Hello.
How you doing?
Hey, okay. Oh wait, I got 17 cents. It's too late?
No.
Oh shit. Yeah.
1, 2, 3,
Me too. No, I got so much snacks. I just need to, you know, make sure I have enough stuff because I am gonna be by myself for a few hours. Well, actually, it's one person that my mom's friends coming to Van too. So other than that, I'm gonna be by myself. So make sure I have enough stuff. All right, guys, I'm in McDonald's bathroom. Have these restrooms fix myself and get our food. Let's go.
All right, you have a good day, okay?
Thank you. Food. It is hot in this car. I'm sweating already. But I got my usual. I like McDonald's breakfast. Okay, guys, so back to work. Water. Way more vendors now popping up. I don't know if you guys can really see over here and here. We have a food truck down there now. So I guess the time that I came was a good time. It is really slow, no customers, nobody even walking, it's just vendors right now. Still no customers, but it's fine. I was just reading some comments on my last video I just uploaded, which was to get rid of me, and I was telling people how I got ghosted, and then someone left a amazing comment, and I will never forget her. She left, she said, think of it not as a loss, but it was protection. And I'm like, I'm gonna put her comment, I'm gonna pin it somewhere on here, but it was, okay, now that I think about it like that, I'm in a better mood. Yes, these 3 sold. I'm so excited. I love when I make sales. Better. I think that's it, guys. We only made 2 sales. It's still a lot empty actually. And I'm gonna start packing up. Yeah. And tomorrow's gonna be a busy day, so. Back to you. And this is a shirt we made. Well, I made it, the shirt. You guys go watch the vlogs. I vlog everything you guys know. Yeah, I'm still waiting for customers. Made a few sales. I recorded it. I showed you guys other vendors. And now I'm going to walk around, pass out these flyers for our pop-up event. You guys already know what's up. So, yeah, I'm about to go see how everybody else is doing. It seems like it's a nice crowd. Yeah, still like a nice crowd. I just hope they move down there so we can start making some money down here. Alright, I'm gonna put the camera so you guys can see. I don't know why it looks dark on my phone.
guys want to do I wanted to show you the other guy. It's hard.
My sister. She's my baby sister. I got big. This is my sister. She's my baby sister. She's so. I think I can say like. I was waiting for that. Yeah, check it out. Fucking have fun. I'll never be good.
No, we don't have a storefront. We're all online, and we do pop-ups here and there. So we have a pop-up with all vendors. That lady gave it to her name.
So it's waiting for